Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kemry, and welcome to the preview week for our course Nursing 380. I'm so excited to be working with you either as your course facilitator or as the chair of the course Nursing 380. So some of you will be working with Professor Scott Alcott in his section of the course, and others will be in my section. In Dr. Kemry's section of Nursing 380. So if you're in 900, you're in my section. 901, you're in Professor Alcott's section. In this course, Nursing 380, our focus is quality and safety. So we'll be talking about things like QSIN and the IHI and things like that. Once the course opens, you'll be able to see all of the resources in the course. For right now, you'll be able to see several Twitter feeds with some information in there. You'll also be able to see some general course information and general resources for the course. So please take a look at those. We'll be using two specific technologies in our course. The first one will be VoiceThread, and the second one will be Practice. You will have online manuals, online information about those two specific technologies. Please review those. And remember to only access those technologies through the LTI link, the link in the course. So don't go out to the website for those particular technologies to sign up for those. You'll sign up directly through the course. And that way your assignments will be graded. If your assignments aren't turned in through that LTI link, the link in the course, we can't see them in the grading plane, and therefore your assignments won't be graded. There's not a lot of writing that happens in this course. There's quite a bit of reading, but not a lot of writing. More or less you'll be using your audio and your video on your device. So please, before the course starts, check that audio and video and make sure that it's functioning well and that you know how to use it. So that's going to be very important as you go through the course. I will be sharing all of the documents like the syllabus and the schedule in the course for my particular section through using Office 365. So in Office 365, to be able to access a document, you'll have to ask for permission to access that document. You'll need to open up your email in one tab and then have our course open in another so that the system notices you as having a 365 account. And then it'll send me a message and saying that you're requesting access to the document, and then I will confirm that you're in the course and allow you access to either the syllabus or the schedule or both. I would suggest that you do that early on. Remember that in the discussions that we'll be having, including your introductory discussion, because you are graded for that in this course as well, you will need to submit your portion of that assignment, your primary submission, by the Wednesday of the week. Okay, so the course runs from Sunday to Saturday. All assignments are due by Saturday night at 23:59, but some of your assignments are stepped in, so you'll have different parts of your assignment due during different times of the week, right? So just be mindful that if you have something that's a discussion, whether it's a video-based discussion or whether it's a traditional discussion board, all of your primary posts need to be posted by that Wednesday. Additionally, in our course, you're going to be expected to monitor your own submission. So whether that's a discussion board thread or whether that's a voice thread response, you're going to be responsible for maintaining that conversation. You're also going to be working in teams in this course. So teamwork is different from group work, and there's a definition and a video about the differences between teamwork and group work. But you will be traveling with that team, that same team, throughout the course. There'll be a teams area. You'll have access to a team discussion board, and you'll be able to do a team collaborate session or two if you would like as your team. But remember that work together as a team is part of what we're learning about in this course as well, because we're going to be talking about team steps and how working as a team is different from working in a group, right? Where teams co-create information and knowledge and groups kind of parcel out different parts of an assignment. So I know most of you are used to group work, where you'll be working as a group. In this course, we expect you to work as a team. So that may be a little bit different for some of you. If you have questions about that, please feel free to reach out to your facilitator, either myself or Professor Alcott, and we'll be happy to help you. You'll get the full detailed syllabus day 1 of the course. Day 1 of the course starts on January 7th. So Monday, January 7th, you'll have full access to the course and the modules that are currently open in the course. Remember that first week, you do have a deliverable. You have a graded assignment, and that will be your first VoiceThread assignment, where you'll be telling us a little bit about yourself and answering the questions that are asked in that VoiceThread. So again, I look forward to working with all of you. I look forward to meeting all of you. Welcome to the preview week, whether it's a day or the entire week before you start the course. I hope this information was helpful. Please feel free to email either Professor Alcott or myself once the courses start officially on January 7th. I look forward to working with all of you, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.